Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how I make my Jamaican oxtails, and there you see I have about a tablespoon of oil and I put a teaspoon of brown sugar. This will give our oxtails some color, that brown color that I like, and I'm just gonna let it stay there and burn on medium flame until you have that dark brown consistency. Then now we'll begin to be placing our oxtails in the pot, and so I'm just gonna put in all my oxtails. Once all the oxtails is in, we will leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's brown on one side, and then we'll flip it over like you see I do here. I hope everyone is having a good day. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We truly appreciate it. And if you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, follow, turn on that notification so as not to miss any video, and leave a comment below to let me know where you're watching from, and when you've tried the recipe, be sure to let me know how it turned out for you. I know many people may know how to cook oxtails, but this is my version. And so once it's brown on the first side, then we flip it again so that everything or every side gets browned. So I'm just moving it around so we can get some of the caramelized sugar on all the meat in the pot. And we'll continue to do that until most of the fat, like where it's at now, you see there's not much liquid in the pot. You think it's burned, but it's not burned. It's just the caramelization of this sugar. So I'm going to drain off the excess oil, and then we're going to be adding water. This process takes about 2.5 hours depending on how tender your oxtails are. So there you see I'm using the spoon to remove the caramelized sugar from the bottom of the pot, and so it's evenly distributed throughout the water or throughout the pot. You want to check periodically to make sure that you have water in the pot, and I'm using warm water. I just put my kettle on low heat and just keep the water warm to pour in the pot. And there you see the water has dried out, and I fill it up again, covering my meat so it cooks. If you have a pressure cooker, then the cooking time would be reduced greatly. And you see I'm testing it there. This has been an hour in. Then the water dried out again, and I'm checking to make sure if it's cooked. Once I turn it over, you'll see the meat has receded from the bone, so you know it's on its way there. As you can see, so now the meat has finally cooked, so I'm going to be seasoning it up with some Old Bay, some sazon, smoked paprika, some Mrs. Dash. If you have beef seasoning, you can add it. You just add whatever seasoning you like or what you have on hand. And that's some ground cumin. And this is about a 1/4 teaspoon or a little bit less of each. And if you want to learn how to season up your oxtails, I have another video that I showed you also how to season up oxtails. That's my fish and meat sauce. And so now I just rinse the bowl that it has been seasoned up overnight with some warm water, and I put some bay leaf, and there you see I'm going to be adding carrots and some Irish potato. You can use broad beans if you'd like. For this recipe I didn't use the broad beans. You're going to let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and then you're going to put in your onions and scallion. There, after 5 to 7 minutes, I'm checking to see if I need to give it a few more minutes. You don't want the potatoes to start to mash, so that's my reason for 5 to 7 minutes. And then I put some tomato ketchup just to give it that sweet but not too sweet, just a nice blend of tomato within the sauce. And I'm just trying to distribute that tomato ketchup all over and for it to get into the meat. Once that's all done, then now I'm going to be adding my fresh herbs. So there I have some green onion and just some regular onion, and I'll put thyme and ginger and pimento seed, and that I'll let simmer for the next 5 minutes again. That's the pimento seed. And now just make sure you have enough liquid in the pot so it doesn't become too dry and you have it to eat with your starch or vegetable, whichever one you'd like to have this with. And now I'm adding my bell peppers, and I'm going to reduce my flame to low for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, you see I have enough liquid inside there, and my potatoes look done, and my carrots. And I have a good consistency for my gravy. I thank you so much for watching. You have a good day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.